Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, April 29th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. Number one, we've got our fourth and final air prep. These are problems on Google Classroom that is set up through a website. You need to make sure that you submit and turn in your work in order to get all credit. No work, no credit. In science, you need to complete your soil packet that we've been working on. There are no homework passes on this assignment. Also, you have an extra credit opportunity where you can bring in a bag of soil for tomorrow, and you will receive some extra credit for that. In social studies, there is no homework. However, you can do the optional research for our project, kind of give you a jump start on that. Remember your country. Remember, we're not using any websites that start with wiki. In language arts, we've got our prom promise letter that you are writing about yourself and your future self that will be returned to you when you are a senior here at Ontario. And in literature, we've got journal number 3. That is tonight's homework, and AR points are due 2 weeks from this Friday. That's it for today. Everyone have a great Monday.